Guys, in this card, they are making a very big claim that they are using a genuine leather and we can take. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great and safe. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna do unboxing and review of this Urban Forest wallet. So this wallet company claims that this is a genuine leather wallet, but we'll check that out and I'll show you everything. So on the top they have placed my details, my address and all. They haven't used any outer packing, any sort of polythene or paper, so which is good. Like, we are not wasting paper or we are not destroying the environment by using polythene, right? So let me just remove this tag first and then I'll show you the back as well. So guys, as you can see, I've ordered it from Amazon and I have paid money for this. This is not a sponsored video, so whatever review you'll be seeing here, it will be unbiased and completely honest. So stay with me and watch the full video. Here you can see the price. It's 2000 INR, Indian rupees, right? Which is, I believe, $20, 20 USD, plus minus. So here you can see the Amazon branding, and this is the details of this particular wallet. Urban Forest Seattle leather wallet for men, new, and these are the details, who is manufactured this wallet and everything. We will open this, but first let's cut these tapes. Are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. Here we go. Guys, in this card, they are making a very big claim that they are using a genuine leather and we can take this to any lab and prove them wrong and they will reward us. And on the other side, some instructions for our bag, which is our wallet in this case. So this bag has been made with care, high quality leather. Any variations in color, texture are international and should not be seen as defects. Those characteristics enhance the beauty of the product. You can read it, right? So you can read it, take a screenshot, whatever. Now let's see the main thing. By the way, I have ordered it in green color. I'm telling you beforehand. It's available in different colors as well, lot of colors. I'll put the link of this particular wallet and other colors as well in the description. You can order it from there. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, I've ordered it from Amazon. So now let's open this thing. Wow. All right, so it's fine. It's like not bad. You can see some stitching here, right? But it's not bad. And you can put your cards here, and then your driving license and any other ID if you want, you can put it here. And yeah, there's one more transparent pocket and 4 more pockets for the card, and this button, old school, right? Then you have this pocket on this side as well. Okay, so yeah, just one pocket, and then this small pocket for coins, right? So here you can put your coin, and this is a zipper. Here you can put your stuff. Then we have this big pockets for money, for cash, right? That's it. Like, this is how it is, like completely opened. And if I'll count the pockets, so for debit card or credit card or whatever card, you have 1, 2, 3 pockets here, and then you have 1, 2, 3 pockets here, total 6 in number. And right now, if I'll show you, I'll use this for my cards, right? So this is a like card holder, but it's fine. Like I I would have loved if they have used some matte here and I don't get the scratches. You can see I've got lots of scratches, but I've tried to not put it with some kind of sharp thing like this, otherwise there would be more scratches than this. So yeah, this is like the purse or the wallet, a man purse, right? And alright guys, this is it, and this was my initial impressions, review, unboxing of this particular wallet. I'll use it for a few days, and you can ask me in the comments how it's performing, whether I've returned it, whether I've kept it. And this is the wallet.